myself, O trembling heart, the night stands still to guard thy part, a silver hush on shadowed air, a gentle watch, a tender care. O tranquil sea of endless light, that cradles stars within the night, rock me softly, deep and slow, where silent dreams begin to grow.
Sleep now, sleep, let burdens fall, let silence answer every call. With cooling hands upon thy fears, it dries the trace of restless tears. Each breath a step from distant cries, from worldly storms and heavy skies. A drifting soul unbound, set free upon time's quiet, endless sea.
And if the shadows start to sway, if distant echoes